Alright, I'm going to do some changes to the videos that I upload on my YouTube channel. The fact that the average view duration of the videos is a lot shorter than the actual length of my videos. That means if most people don't even watch half of the videos, it's useless for me to continue with making these long tutorial videos. I will still make long tutorial videos with detailed explanation, but they won't be on my YouTube channel. They will be uploaded on my Skillshare. The viewers on Skillshare do watch the videos until the end, so that's why I decided to move to that platform. The videos that I will upload on my YouTube channel will be short videos with less explanation or even speed art videos without any explanation. So if you want to keep on learning new things, I suggest you use the link in the description to sign up at Skillshare. It costs nothing if you use my link to sign up there. You get 2 months of premium membership for free. And if you cancel your membership during that 2 months, they don't charge anything, so there is no commitments. Skillshare has a maximum upload of 1 class per week for teachers. So what I'm going to do is upload a new class every week to make sure people don't sign up for nothing. They also have thousands of other classes which you can watch to learn other skills. I hope everyone understands this decision because I don't want to make videos if most people don't even watch them. I feel like when something is uploaded on YouTube, people don't really appreciate the effort that is put into the video simply because it's uploaded on YouTube where everything is free to watch. So I hope to see you there if you really want to keep on learning. I just uploaded a new class. Make sure to check that out and keep on learning. There's one little thing that you can do to support this channel, and that is to just watch the videos until the end when I upload something. It puts out a sign to me that people do watch the videos and I can still keep on making them. So if you watch a video 1 or 2 minutes, it puts out a sign to me that people are not interested in the content that I make, so I don't want to make it. So try to watch videos as long as possible. It really helps my channel. Cheers.